Hi there. Many of you have seen me walking up and down the halls, but yet one of my regrets is you and I have not had a chance to meet in person, many of you. I do have the pleasure of getting to know some of you, and I've always wondered how many of you actually know what the vision for this college is. What is it that keeps me awake at night? What makes me get up in the morning and come to work and go around working on your behalf? So I thought I'll take this moment and introduce myself and also share the vision that I hope you share with me. I'm Ajay Menon. I'm the Dean of the Business School. I came to Colorado State University in 1991 as a professor of marketing, and then about 10 years ago became the Dean of the Business School. And why did I choose to be the Dean of the Business School? Because I think we have a business school that is not heralded as much as some of the other schools in the state, but yet, in my opinion, is probably the best business school, largely because we have incredible students working with outstanding faculty with a certain mold of traits and characteristics that I think is uniquely us. My vision for the business school is that not too far in the distant future, we will be among the top 25 public university business schools in the country. But that's less important to me. What's more important to me is, what do the graduates of this College of Business do once they get out? What I want you to remember is, success is never measured by the wealth that you will have or the wealth that you will generate. I want you to look at success largely as the social consequences, the social context in which you have an impact. I want you to remember that every single graduate who comes out of here is charged with one simple admonition, which is make a difference. Whether it's in your company, whether it's with your customers, whether it's in your community, or whether it's with your colleagues at work. I want you to remember that that's where the true success will lie. So when you see me around, what I want you to know is that each day I'm working on your behalf. I'm working with the faculty who care about you more than you will ever know. Just because they gave you a grade you didn't agree with doesn't mean they didn't care about you. There's a lot of ways in which you can help build this college. You can be active in student council, in the Dean Student Leadership Council. You can be active in your student organizations. You can be active in the community. But above all, I hope you're active in the classrooms, interacting with the students in your classes. You're making the best of the moments that you have while at Colorado State University. I hope you'll consider studying abroad. I do hope you have started working on your resume, your cover letters, and getting help. If along the way you think I can be of some help to you, stop me in the hallways, stop me in the parking lot, and let's get together and talk as to where you want to take your career. My overall goal is that the 4 years that you spend at Colorado State University is the best and one that you'll remember 20, 30, 40 years from now. I wish you well, and as you get off for this summer break, remember to be safe, remember to think about Colorado State University, remember to make a difference. Take care, and I hope to see you soon.